will talk about how can you set quick SMS on your caller app. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your caller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. And all you have to do now, you just click here on customization, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to quick SMS, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then here can you add your quick SMS here. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.